Good day guys, welcome to the second video of the obstacle avoiding robots. In today's lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to program your robots and get it working. Open your Arduino IDE, and if you don't have, you can search on the net and download the Arduino IDE. As you can see, here is our obstacle avoiding robots code. I'll leave the link down below in the description box. Looking at the code, you can see some specific library included in the code. You can see the L289N motor driver we use on the code. These are used to control the motors. After looking through the code, let's check if our code doesn't have any error by clicking on those verify button to make sure that our code is correct. You can see the code doesn't have any error, so let's go ahead uploading the code to our Arduino. In this case, you click on the board, so you select the specific board you are using to build your own obstacle avoiding robot. Like you can use any board and build. You can use your Arduino Uno, you can use your Arduino Mega. So you will click on the processor type. This is I'm using here the 80 Mega 32 old boarder. Next, you select the port which your computer is connected to the Arduino to upload the code. In this case, I have already uploaded, that's the upload button up, so you can upload your code and get your robots working. Thanks for watching. If you find my project interesting, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.